When we are working with AutoCAD and executing commands, usually we need to talk with the system. So we need to supply informations. Informations are being displayed in command line, and there are several types of answers and informations that are needed. For example, in certain commands like command line, we may need to pick a point by clicking inside drawing area or simply saying what are the coordinates depending on the type of coordinates that are displayed. This is one type of information. Another type of information, like we are showing now, is the need to enter a value instead of picking a point. This can be, depending also on the commands, a value or, for example, text. We may need also to, instead of giving informations, for example, in most of the commands for modifying entities, like this one, we may need to have as the answer to the system to select objects, like here where we need to pick something. Also, we may need to choose an option from several that are being displayed. Again, with this fillet command, you can see that we have several options. They are a little grayed in the background, and we can see a lot of things here. First, we can pick an option by clicking directly on the word. So if I click here, radius, I get an option. Um, I can also choose the option selecting the letters that are in capital or in blue. So if I want to choose again the radius, I can say R, and I'm again also in the option. Or I can, for example, if pick again radius, then I have another type of information which is shown in these angled brackets. If you see, the options are in these straight brackets. So when I have this kind of information, this is the value by default. I can choose it simply saying enter. I could insert a value, but I can say enter, and the choice is done. Also, when I have multiple options displayed, I can access those options if I go to my keyboard and um, click in my down arrow. So I get in my screen also in this dynamic input, I get all the options and I can pick them from here. This is another way. Also, another way, when I have options, it is to make a click with my right mouse button, and I get the options besides other informations also in this shortcut menu. So there are multiple ways, and depending on the command, to uh, supply different type of informations to AutoCAD. These are the ones that are more common and are displayed in the command line or in drawing area in these shortcuts.